Suppose one day you go to your office and your boss assign you a duty, and the duty is to copy the title and URL of all these videos into an Excel sheet. Of course, doing it manually would take hours or even days. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do all these boring and mundane tasks using Power Automate. So let's dive into the video to see how we can do this. Simply type Power Automate Desktop in your search bar and download this Power Automate from Microsoft website. Once you have downloaded and installed, let me open it. Once you are into the designer window, you have three options: home, my flows, and examples. In examples, they have given you a few examples where this Power Automate can be used to make your tasks easier to perform. In my flows, all those automated programs exist that you have generated using Power Automate. In home, head over to this build desktop flow and click on new flow. Simply give it a name. I'm going to give it web link and click on create. On the left side under actions, you can see we have a lot of options that can be automated using Power Automate feature. Since we have to go over here onto this particular channel and we have to copy the links of all these videos into an Excel sheet. So let me show you how we can do that. But for this particular demonstration, I'm not going into the videos, rather I'm going into the playlist so that you could check it and verify it the way it is done. First, under actions, I'm going to this browse automation and I'm going to choose this launch new Microsoft Edge. Simply click over it, hold and drag it with the mouse button right onto your main window and leave it. Now over here you can see it says launch mode. Launch new instance attached to running instance. We will stick with new instance. Over here we have to insert the initial URL. Let me go to the channel and copy its URL. Copy. And I'm gonna paste it right over here. And finally, window state, normal, maximize, minimize. I'm gonna stick with normal. Now click on save, and now the first action that is automated have been saved. In order to make sure it is saved, simply go over here, click on save. Let me show you how it is done. Simply go over here and click on run and see. There you can see our channel gets opened in Microsoft Edge browser. Now, just like macros in Microsoft Excel, we can record our actions. For that, simply head over to this option, capture the steps of your automation. Simply click over it. A new window with the name recorder pops up. Now, simply click on record. And now whatever you are going to do, all these steps would be recorded over here. You can pause it as well as you can delete the recorded steps as well. I'll show you. Now you can see as soon as I'm going to hover over these playlists, a red border appears around it. This shows that this step would be recorded. And let me go to the title and I'm going to right click over here. Over here you can see we have a lot of options, but I'm going to extract element value. And from here, I'm going to choose this title. And there you go. You can see the step has been recorded over here. Let me go over here again. I'm going to click, go again to extract element value, and this time I'm going to record this href, that is the URL of this particular playlist. And you can see it has been recorded. Let me do it once more with this particular playlist. Click extract element value, title. Next, I'm going to record the URL as well. And there we go. Now simply click on done and all our steps have been recorded. Now it must be noted that the Power Automate has picked up the pattern, which means since we have only copied the URL and title of two videos, it has understood that we want to copy the URL and title of all these videos in the playlist. Let me get back to Power Automate. Next, I'm going to click on extract from web page. And over here you can see it says store data model. It is now saving in a variable. However, I'm going to choose Excel spreadsheet. Now simply click on save. Now it's called Excel instance. Now in the next step, I'm going to insert a save Excel action over here. In the Excel instance, you can give it a name, but I'm satisfied with the one already given over here. In save document, I'm going to choose save document as path. Let me choose a path. Simply click over here. I'm going to name it playlist chemistry, and I'm going to save it on desktop. Click on open, save, and we are almost done. Now if you want, you can drag one more action, that is close Excel, but I'm not going to do this. I want to show you how an Excel file is opened automatically and the data is saved into it. So now get back, relax, and simply go over here and click on run, and whatever processes that you have taught to your Power Automate, it would do it automatically for you. Now I'm gonna click on a run command and wait. It's taking its action. You can see it's opening. Now it would copy all the URLs into an Excel sheet, and here at the bottom you can see it has done all our job. Believe me, it took only 5 seconds, and Excel sheet is open since we haven't inserted the command to close it. Let me click over here, and there you go. You can see all the URLs as well as the titles are saved. Let me double click over here to show you. These are the titles, and over here you can see all those URLs. Now just imagine if you have 1000 videos and you have to copy the URLs as well as the web links of those videos. How much time would it take if you are going to do it manually? But with this Power Automate feature, you can do it in no time. This was just a brief demonstration how Power Automate feature works. Now there are many options you can try and make your workflow easy without any hassle. So that is it for today's video. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.